Welcome to Sendsteps, the ultimate presentation tool that will transform the way you create a presentation and engage with your audience. In this onboarding video, we'll walk you through the exciting features of Sendsteps and show you how to create captivating presentations. To get started, head on over to my library. You'll have 4 ways to start your presentation. 1. You can start from a blank presentation. 2. You can start with an existing document by uploading it. 3. You can import an existing PowerPoint presentation. Or 4. Start with a prompt and let our AI do the magic for you. Once you've made your selection, you'll be dropped into what we call the editor. On your left-hand side are your created slides. Here you'll be able to delete, duplicate, or add new slides to your presentation. On your right-hand side are your layout and configuration settings. Here you'll be able to make edits to different layouts, themes, and question or slide types. Beneath the slide, you will discover the Speaker Notes section. Within this area, you have the opportunity to include or modify your speaker notes, enhancing the narrative of your presentation. To add a new slide or question, click on the Add Slide or Add Question button on your bottom left-hand side. You'll be dropped into what we call the slide library. Here you can select a new blank question or content slide. Are you out of inspiration? Try our AI content creator and generate a new slide with the power of AI. Once you're done creating, you can create a shareable link to share your presentation with others. You can play or preview your presentation directly by clicking on the play button at the top. If you select Preview, you can test your interactive presentation to better understand what it will be like to run your presentation live. And that's it. Get started on creating impactful presentations that leave a lasting impression. Thank you for choosing Sendsteps.